With the rapid development of the global economy, the information technology and network technology also develop rapidly. The application of surveillance systems becoming more and more extensive in various industries. The situation of social security is becoming more and more complicated. The problem of public security continues to highlight as the safe city construction, traffic-informed ATIs at IN construction, financial supervision and control, safety production, smart home system and so on. All kinds of projects, construction and development create a new era in the surveillance technology industry become our common mission. Shenzhen Shooscam Technology Company was established in 2011. Is one of the first batch manufacturers who can do R&D, production and sales for security products with strong R&D capability and proprietary intellectual property rights. Becomes a modern enterprise with all complete departments. We have more than 300 employees. We have the latest SMT, injection, spraying, silk screen, aging test and automatic production line. We insist on appointing people on their merits in order to achieve steady development and improve the overall competitiveness under the strategic concept of promoting long-term service with customers. Establish a mutually beneficial relationship while focusing on the implementation of standardized and systematic brand strategy. In scientific research, we cooperate closely with domestic universities and well-known enterprises in the industry. Constantly improve the company's scientific research level and enhance market competitiveness. Shooscam takes the development of monitoring technology as its mission has created a scientific and sustainable way of development. Company credibility, quality and service for the purpose of the first. Continue to scale new heights in science and technology for public security to provide customers with high-quality products and excellent service. After years of development, we have won many honors. We have passed the ISO 9001 certification, ISO 14001 certification, iOS for 5001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certification, China Quality certification, scientific and technological achievements and other honors. Has 3 software copyrights, more than 100 utility model patents. Our products including video cameras, spherical cameras, dome cameras, OLED cameras, solar cameras, camera systems, switches and the smart home system. All of our products strict inspection before shipment. We have formed strategic cooperative relations with well-known source manufacturers in the security industry to provide more quality products for you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.